Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is ReactJS. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Our content for today is provided to us by bloghotspot.com. Thank you bloghotspot.com for providing us this information about ReactJS. So what is ReactJS? ReactJS is an open source JavaScript library crafted with precision by Facebook that aims is to simplify the intricate process of building interactive user interfaces. Imagine a user interface built with React as a collection of components. It's responsible for outputting a small reusable piece of HTML code. In React, you develop your applications by creating reusable components that you can think of as independent Lego blocks. These components are individual pieces of a final interface which, when assembled, form the application's entire user interface. React primary role is an application is to handle the view layer of the application just like the V in a model view controller MVC pattern by providing the best and most efficient rendering execution rather than dealing with all user interface as a single unit. ReactJS encourages developers to separate these complex UIs into individual reusable components that form the building blocks of the whole UI. In doing so, the ReactJS encourages developers to separate these complex UIs into individual reusable components that form the building blocks of the whole UI. In doing so, the ReactJS framework combines the speed and efficiency of JavaScript with a more efficient method of manipulating the DOM to render web pages faster and highly dynamic and responsive web applications. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is ReactJS is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.